Show y'all how to make the ultimate crust on a sous vide steak. This is going to blow your mind. This crust is amazing. I got a couple of ribeyes here and got a couple of fillets. I'm going to put them in a sous vide bath at 135. Let them go a couple hours, okay? So I got the steaks out of the sous vide. Been there about an hour, 45 minutes. And take them, put them on this drying rack where I'm going to season them with my favorite steak seasoning. So this is the steak rub that I like. You can use whatever you like the most. Just don't use anything with sugar in it, because that hurts for the searing. So I patted these dry. Now I'm going to get the rub all over these steaks on all sides, all right? Now I'll come back to you with the next step. Here it is. This is what we've been looking for. We just wanted to dry the surface out on these steaks. That's why we put them in here like this. Take my searing pan outside here, just put them on an induction thing. So this is gonna make some smoke. This is what I use, Wagyu beef tallow, Fat Works. It's the best thing you can use for this. So I'll set my heat up high. And then we'll temperature high, okay? So we'll let this melt down, let it get smoking hot, and then we're gonna sear the steaks. Y'all, we got a smoking hot surface. That's what we want here. Now look at these steaks. We'll start with one of these ribeyes right down there. All right, don't take long. Probably do about a minute a side. Well, that's long enough on that side. And watch this. Oh, look at that crust. Lay up on the side for a second. Let it get that. Oh, this is it. This is what you want. Got that perfect crust right there on that steak. All right, I'm gonna set this one back aside. And the fillets, they do really well too. Set that bad boy down. Let it go for about 30 seconds on each side. Nice little crust right there. Also, I'm done with the fillets. Now we're going to do the other ribeye. We're done with just, that's a beautiful, beautiful crust right there. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all, so here you go. You can see, listen. I mean, that's real crust on those steaks. I'm gonna cut into them here. It's gonna be hard to do, just me holding the camera, but I may have to lay that one over sideways. Show you what I'm talking about. Beautiful looking, mid-rare. Let's cut the ribeye. Look at that, perfect in every way in there. We'll cut us a slice here. Now, I'm doing this with one hand, luckily.
Dad, do I get a bite?
Yeah, just a second. I'm trying to cut all this with one hand. All right, Captain Faye, you ready? I'm about to give you a bite.
Okay.
I want her to taste it and be the judge.
What?
All right, you want to taste it and see what it's like?
What did you say about
You want to be the judge. Judge, see
Okay.
how it is. Is it good? All right.
All right, guys. That's the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let us know, do you like the steak? And we'll see you guys later. Bye, and turn on post notifications.
All right, y'all. Beautiful.